Welcome to Create Better Health. We are so excited for you to join our amazing team of volunteers. Throughout this training, we will discuss everything you need to know to start volunteering with Create Better Health. First, we will talk about what the Create Better Health Hub is and the programs within it. We will go over the types of activities our volunteers participate in and the resources they use. And lastly, we will go over what you need to do to become a Create Better Health volunteer. Create Better Health is Utah's nutrition collaborative and home to a wide variety of programs that work towards systemically eliminating food insecurity. Through Utah State University Extension, we are able to spread nutrition education to communities in every county in Utah. As a hub, we house several different projects that each work together to combat complex nutrition issues. SNAP Outreach is a grant-funded project that partners with the Department of Workforce Services and Utahns Against Hunger to promote SNAP benefits. It is estimated that nearly 70% of eligible senior citizens and 79% of eligible individuals do not receive SNAP benefits. These statistics strongly correlate with Utah's unprecedented rates of food insecurity. Outreach spreads information about SNAP benefits to the people who need it most and helps people obtain benefits by walking them through the application process. With the help of our community partners, CBH teaches evidence-based nutrition classes that are supported by research. Youth classes teach kids to identify food groups and make healthy choices based on the dietary guidelines. Adult classes teach valuable skills like grocery shopping on a budget, meal planning, and kitchen techniques. Our classes provide participants with healthy, low-cost recipes that families will love. The National Nutrition Certification Program, or NNCP, is an online training course created to increase the nutrition knowledge, teaching, and cooking skills of nutrition educators. It is designed for those who teach nutrition education to the public. These are just a few key examples of the incredible work happening within Create Better Health that you now get to be a part of. As a volunteer, you will have the opportunity to choose projects that interest you. Our volunteers engage in direct education by assisting ambassadors with teaching adult and youth nutrition classes. Volunteers can help with informational booths, which allow us to market our resources directly to the communities they help. There is also plenty of other volunteering opportunities that can be done directly in your community, or even in the comfort of your own home. These pictures represent the activities you will be a part of. On the top, you can see examples of our informational booths that spread awareness about food insecurity and provide resources that can help. On the bottom, our ambassadors are teaching classes that give our communities the tools they need to live well on a budget. Create Better Health volunteers have many tools at their disposal. Utilizing these resources will help you effectively accomplish your tasks and goals. The first is one you are most likely already familiar with, the Create Better Health volunteer website. Our website houses all the necessary information for new and existing volunteers. Here, you can find the volunteer application, this training video, the training quiz, the volunteer hours log, and other various resources. After you have completed the volunteer intake process, you will start receiving the Volunteer Monthly Roadmap. This email newsletter contains all the latest happening within Create Better Health. This will include upcoming events that volunteers can participate in, virtual tasks available to volunteers, updates on our programs, job opportunities, and a special Exceptional Effort section that highlights outstanding volunteer work. Sign Up is the official platform we use at Create Better Health for volunteers to quickly register for in-person events that they would like to be a part of. After completing the training quick check, you will receive a link to sign up via email. Once you have the link, you will be able to create an account and begin registering for events. Once you have created your sign up account, registering for events is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can check event details by using the dropdown. Always make sure to double check the location because we have events all over Utah. Once you've decided you want to volunteer, use the green Sign Up button to continue. Doing so will ask you to confirm your personal information. If everything is correct, hit Save and Done to confirm that you are attending. You will receive an email within 1 to 2 days connecting you with the ambassador hosting the event. Each month, volunteers will submit their hours for the previous month by filling out a short survey. This is how we keep track of the volunteer work being done within Create Better Health and is essential for our record keeping. Volunteers can find the hours log in the monthly newsletters or on the volunteer website. As a volunteer, you have a responsibility to uphold the expectations of Create Better Health. First and foremost, we work with sensitive information, and it is important that you maintain client confidentiality. Do not share any identifying data that could lead back to one of our clients. Their safety is our priority. Since you are free to choose any event you desire, we do expect that you arrive at the agreed upon time. We value your time and expect you to value ours. Next, it's important that you follow any directions your ambassador gives you. Our ambassadors are trained on the exact processes that need to be followed for us to be compliant. They will give you instructions and guide you through your tasks. Listening to them will ensure all events run smoothly and safely. Being proactive is an extremely helpful quality in a volunteer. Once you are given your instructions, go ahead and do what needs to get done. When you are spreading nutrition information, lean on your ambassador to answer questions you don't know, but don't be afraid to tell people what you know about Create Better Health. Lastly, we expect our volunteers to be ready to learn. The more you seek out information, the more you can help your community. Anyone can become a Create Better Health volunteer by filling out the application on our website. If you haven't already done this, now is a good time to pause this video and apply. Come back once you've submitted your application. After applying, the next step is, of course, watching this training video. When we are finished, return to the volunteer website and scroll down to the final training quiz. This short quiz verifies that you have completed your training by watching this video and allows you to move forward in the intake process. Once you have submitted your quiz, you will receive an email prompting you to complete some paperwork and schedule your first meeting. The two documents you need to sign are the Volunteer Service Agreement and the Photo Release Form. Everything you need to fill out these forms is included in the email. Once you have completed the documents, email the signed copies to michaela.hemmert@usu.edu. Lastly, use the Calendly link you receive in the Next Steps email to schedule your introductory meeting with the volunteer coordinator. This intro meeting will allow us to discuss your interests and goals with Create Better Health, as well as answer any follow-up questions you may have. Congratulations! You have completed your volunteer training. Please return to the volunteer website and submit your final training quiz. We are excited to have you aboard.